Bob Gold, and I've been here at Maryland since 1986. I was the founding dean of the School of Public Health.
Hi, my name is Alice Horowitz. In probably about 2006, I decided I was going to retire from the National Institutes of Health, and I wanted to invest in a center for health literacy because I really had learned a modest amount about health literacy. Felt this was something that could be a huge impact on decreasing disparities. And I looked and I wanted to name it after my husband. So connected, sent a message through Dr. Kleinman, I think it was, to you. Would you be interested? And his response was very quick, and it was, let's have lunch. And we did. We had lunch at that little Mexican restaurant, remember? And did a lot of talking. And that was really how we sort of got this off the ground. And let me just say that he fully recognized, Dr. Gold, the importance of health literacy. I think was eager, to be the first school of public health that also had a center for health literacy.
I wrote the original concept paper for School of Public Health in December 2005. There was no School of Public Health on this campus. There was no plan to start one. I was here and I wrote a 3-page concept paper about why this university should have a School of Public Health. And in writing that concept paper, I had to provide a rationale and a justification for why it was useful. I was also asked by the president of the university to describe in that concept paper what I would do to make this school distinctive. I also knew, given the time and given the history of this institution, that we would need a program that focused on health equity. When I first got the message that Alice wanted to talk with me about a Center for Health Literacy, and I knew that there was no other Center for Health Literacy, but more importantly than that, I knew how important health literacy was in public health. So that was going to be the signature program that only we had. These two things emerged into reality on the same day, September 27th, 2007. And as it turns out, it was Alice who launched the research, the funded research in the center from its beginning. When with Dr. Power came the first R01 and the first real visibility throughout Maryland, the first statewide comprehensive set of conferences that have gone on. I consider as much happened as before she got here, that all of that was laying the foundation for the launch pad that was finally used when she got here. And I think that the center, though, has accomplished a tremendous amount, really, ever since it launched.
And only continues to expand and grow.
Yeah.
It's really very, very exciting. I think both of us have learned a lot along this line. Certainly would do things slightly differently if we were doing it over, but I would still want to do a 7.